Comrades, expropriation of land without compensation when we get back our power must be implemented. Comrades, we lost many opportunities when we got two-thirds majority. Peter Mokaba was still alive. And the collusion we are still going to have with Donald Trump and the Americans challenging transformation in our country is going to be around what we are going to do when we get decisive power to govern this country. We must stop complaining and behave like as if we are not in power. We are governing this country.
Terwyl die ANC beloof om jou grond te onteien sonder vergoeding, beloof AfriForum om alles binne ons mag te doen om hulle te stop. Staan saam met AfriForum vir privaat eiendomsreg in Suid-Afrika deur www.onteiening.co.za te besoek.